Container gardening is growing plants in containers or pots rather than in the ground. Container gardening offers many benefits, and is an excellent option for those with limited outdoor space, or who want to bring greenery to their indoor or outdoor living spaces. Here are 10 reasons why people plant container gardens. 1. Small space gardening. Container gardening is perfect for people with limited outdoor space, such as apartment balconies, patios, or small yards. 2. Flexibility. Container gardens can be easily moved, rearranged, and scaled to accommodate changing needs. 3. Easy maintenance. Container gardens are easier to care for and maintain, as they are more manageable in size and can be easily accessed for watering and fertilizing. 4. Soil quality control. With container gardening, the soil quality can be easily controlled and optimized for the plants. 5. Pest and disease management. Container gardens are more isolated from the ground, making it easier to manage pests and diseases. 6. Improved drainage. Container gardens often have better drainage than in-ground gardens, preventing waterlogged roots and improving plant health. 7. Better soil temperature regulation. Container gardens have more manageable soil temperatures, providing an optimal growing environment for plants. Cold spell. Just move your pots indoors to a sunny window and enjoy growing food all year long. 8. Urban gardening. Container gardening is an excellent option for urban gardeners who want to bring a touch of nature to their concrete surroundings. 9. Decorative accents. Container gardens are a great way to add color, texture, and visual interest to outdoor spaces. 10. Seasonal planting. Container gardens can be changed seasonally, allowing for year-round gardening, and showcasing different plants at different times. How to pick the right size container for your plants. 1. Determine the mature size of the plants you want to grow and choose a large container to accommodate their root systems. 2. Consider the number of plants you want to grow and choose a container that can accommodate them comfortably. 3. Consider the weight of the container when full of soil and plants. Ensure the container is stable and secure, especially if you are planting in a windy area. 4. Choose a container with suitable drainage holes to ensure proper drainage and prevent waterlogged roots. 5. Consider the style and color of the container, as it should complement the plants and the surrounding environment. This video was part 1 of our container garden series. Please like, subscribe, and hit the alert button. More expert content is coming your way soon. We don't want you to miss out. Thank you for watching, from Garden Revelations.